Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset Telegram password. So if you forgot the Telegram password, so in order to log in, you have to just simply follow my steps. So for that, you have to just simply open up Telegram application. So after opening up Telegram application, now you have to just simply input your phone number. So after inputting your phone number, you have to just simply click on next to proceed. So after clicking on next to proceed, I don't have applied the password to the Telegram account. So that's why it's now asking for my password. But from your side, it will ask you for password. So that's why you have to just simply reset it. So in order to reset it, you have to just simply click on forget password, which is down below, which should be down below. So you have to just simply click on that, and Telegram will send the OTP code to your phone number or your email address. So if you have added the phone number or email address, Telegram will let you know. Then I'm gonna tell you then how you can how you can make sure that in which medium your OTP code will be sent. So you have to just simply enter your number and simply click on next to proceed. And from your side, it will be asking you for password, but from my side, it is not asking for my password. But you guys can be able to see here, it is asking you, we have sent an SMS with an activation code. So that's why they have not sent any mail OTP code to any mail. So that's why they will send just your OTP code to your number. So you guys can simply make sure you have to just simply check your phone, your SMS, and you will get the OTP code from Telegram, and you have to just simply put that OTP code. Then Telegram will ask you for new password, and you have to just simply enter your new password, and you're good to go. So if you are seeing here that Telegram is saying that we have sent an SMS, yeah, we have sent an OTP code to an specific Gmail, then you have to just simply check out that Gmail, and you will be able to see the OTP code, and you have to just simply put your OTP code here, and you will be proceed to and good to go. But right now I'm facing some troubling in OTPs, so that's why I'm not able to record that complete video. I'm sorry for that, but I hope I have conveyed all the message. I hope you find the well. So do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.